You look at any instructional design job posting and there it is, center stage. Demonstrated knowledge of instructional design models, methodologies, and best practices such as ADDIE, Bloom's taxonomy, adult learning principles, etc. My name is Jennifer Mitchell Early. I help individuals and teams achieve organizational and personal success. And this is Leadership Matters. Today we're talking about the design cycle and how it's used. Instructional design is a process that assists in the design, creation, and delivery of instructional resources, experiences, and courses. Instructional design is one of the most fundamental ways of building and delivering a learning experience. Anton Sevenjenko, author of the elearningindustry.com article, Instructional Design in Training and Development Process, defines instructional design as a process that assists in the design, creation, and delivery of instructional resources, experiences, and courses, the implementation of which is carried out by instructional designers that are involved in developing educational material by way of conducting a needs analysis to identify the precise wants and needs of the client and or audience, including the analysis of the needs that can be met through training, determination of learning goals, and the evaluation or measure of success of the educational process, collection of initial information about the target group or participants, motivational factors, behavior patterns, background knowledge, and much more, development of the educational strategy, curriculum, and teaching methods that will be employed, and monitoring learning outcomes to assess the success of the entire learning process. According to ATD's Talent Development Capability Model, instructional designers follow a system of assessing needs, designing a process, developing materials, and evaluating effectiveness. Instructional design requires the analysis and selection of the most appropriate strategies, methodologies, and technologies to maximize the learning experience and knowledge transfer. There are several design models used in the field. While ADDIE stands for Analysis, Design, Development, Implementation, and Evaluation, continues to be one of the most widely used models, there are a number of other models to consider. In recent years, there has been a push to utilize more agile, iterative approaches, including Michael Allen's successive approximation model, SAM. Agile models, such as SAM, involve shorter design sprints where a prototype is quickly created, reviewed, and revised, with the process repeating until stakeholders are satisfied. Common instructional design models include ADDIE, Analysis, Design, Development, Implement, Evaluate, Kathy Moore's Action Mapping, Dick and Carey Model, Kemp Design Model, Merrill's First Principles of Instruction, SAM, Successive Approximation Model, Agile or Rapid Prototyping, and the Langevin Learning Services Design Cycle. I use Langevin Learning Services 12-step design cycle. I've also designed courses using mind mapping to outline courses, brainstorm ideas, and collaborate with subject matter experts and other team members. And I've used the Agile method to develop technical systems training involving multiple stories, sprints, and iterations of software development. I still find Langevin's design cycle to be the most comprehensive, holistic, and useful design method. Granted, not every situation allows for the sufficient time, resources, or opportunities required by the Langevin design cycle method, but it's provided me with the necessary knowledge and foundation to be able to customize it to meet the needs of my clients, organizations, and specific programs throughout the years. Whether you're developing classroom instruction, an e-learning course, or an on-demand performance support solution, Following sound instructional design processes will help you create better, more successful solutions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe button, as well as the notification bell, so that you'll be notified every time I upload new content. And keep those comments coming. Have a great week. See you in my next video.